Welcome world to your own YouTube channel Beauty Health Binge. I'm host of channel and lover of home remedies and beauty products available in the market. And your new best friend, I guess. I started making YouTube videos in the fall of 2020 and enjoy it so gosh damn much. I've just decided to keep going. So subscribe here. It makes the pain worth it. Thank you. So friends, this is the face pack which you can get radiant, glowing and beautiful skin. This face pack is of kiwi. So you want to know about the benefits of kiwi for your skin? This is a good brightening face pack. This face pack adds a nice glow. This face pack moisturizes the skin very well. And the next ingredient is rice flour or rice powder. Both the ingredient delays the signs of aging, combats acne, controls excess sebum production, reduces the appearance of dark circles, acts as a facial cleanser. Kiwi is an exotic fruit rich in vitamin C, K, and E, and a lot of other essential minerals. It also has traces of vitamin A. It helps in collagen formation and rich in antioxidants. The black seeds of kiwi contain fatty acids, omega 3 oil, which is great for the skin too. Kiwi face packs keep the skin soft and supple. Kiwi has vitamin C more than an orange and also called king of vitamin C. For preparing face packs, we have to first make the puree of kiwi. Kiwi fruit is a tremendous anti-aging skincare ingredient. It is quick and effective in response to combating the biggest aging culprit, which is presence of free radicals in the skin. Kiwi fruit rejuvenates, revives, and firms tired skin with its high vitamin C and E content. The antioxidant in kiwi fruit neutralizes the free radicals while amino acids treat UV damage, smooth wrinkles, and fine lines. Friends, as you can see, our kiwi fruit paste is ready. If you are looking to get rid of those pesky dark circles, kiwi fruit is just what you need. Not only this, regular use of kiwi fruit extract on the eyes reduces the many other problems of the eyes along with the dark circles. Now it's time of other ingredient, that is rice flour. Rice contains a few sun protecting agents like valeric acid and allantoin, which convert it into a good natural sunscreen, being a good anti-inflammatory agent. Our next ingredient is honey. 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey balances the bacteria on skin and is great to use for acne and speeds up healing process of the skin cells. Now it's time to mix the three ingredients together to get the fine paste, not too thick, not too thin. Friends, this face pack can be an extremely effective facial cleanser. Kiwi fruit's vitamin C content is outstanding at cleansing away dirt and impurities from the skin. Face pack will also leave your face glowing and can lighten your skin tone as well. Suffering from acne, kiwi fruit is going to be your best friend. Kiwi fruit has a cooling effect that makes it is an incredible tool at controlling excess sebum production. This face pack is rich in amino acids, which are essential in controlling the excess production of sebum. Naturally controlling sebum production is the key of keeping oily skin under control. So, if you have oily skin, get some kiwi pronto. This can be used as home remedy for acne, dark spots, wrinkles, premature aging of the skin. So, friends, as we know, in this face pack, we have added 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 teaspoon of rice flour powder, and half an kiwi according to your face. Now it's time to apply the face pack and know how to apply. First, we have to wash our face for this face pack. I'm sorry I can't make visible my face to you all, guys. I'm really very sorry. For this we have to apply this face pack on our face lightly. We don't have to rub it. Apply it lightly on your face. You don't need to rub and apply it. First apply it as a face mask. After once you applied it, let it remain at it is for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, when it is a little bit dry or being dry, apply it second time on the same place and let it again for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, slowly massage your face, not too harshly. Slowly massage your face and wash it with room temperature water, not hot nor cold, at room temperature water. After you washed your face, don't forget to moisturize your face with your moisturizer. Friends, if you want me to review on moisturizer, you can comment me on my in comment box. I will surely review the moisturizer which I like the most. As I am having dry skin, my current favorite moisturizer, I will love to share it with you. Friends, as you can see, I had washed my face and it's feeling so good, so fresh. Friends, please try my this face pack and let me know what is your conclusion about this face pack, as I love this face pack. Thank you so much, friends, for watching my video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe.